Hi, this is Dave Carver, and the following message is approved by the committee to elect Carver4Sheriff. Hello, friends. One thing experience teaches you is this: most good decisions don't look impressive in the moment. They're quiet, measured, and often go unnoticed. I've seen what happens when people rush decisions for the sake of appearance. It creates more problems than it actually solves. Sound judgment is built over time through mistakes, accountability, and learning what actually works. That's not flashy, it's dependable. When you vote, you're not hiring a speaker, you're hiring a trusting decision maker. And when things go wrong, you don't want excitement, you want someone steady. I'm Dave Carver, and I'm asking for your vote on May 5th.